I have lost over 45 pounds and today we are going to Costco. I'm gonna show you guys what I buy, simple swaps that you can make just to make weight loss easier. And there's been some new items at Costco going viral that I'm excited to check out. So you don't wanna skip out on this video. Also stick around for the end of this video because we're gonna go home and really talk about different items that I got and why, and also unpack and organize everything in the fridge. Does anyone else actually feel like they've entered the Hunger Games? Apples, mandarins. This is a new find for me, but I love sourdough. This one's organic and it has really simple ingredients. I'm getting broccoli. We're just gonna stay out of the bakery section. Gonna stock up on chicken. Meal prep heaven. Love this. My staple for easy dinners. Always get their milk and always get their eggs. Grabbing these for easy fast dinners. I'm also going to try these ones because the macros are better. 260, 33 grams of protein. Frozen berries for my smoothies. I'm going to try these this time for my smoothies too. Stocking up on turkey bacon. Very intrigued by these, so I'm going to try them out. Guys, I am always shy to grab a sample, but this time I grabbed a sample. Little cup of noodles. It's good. I'm hungry, so it's just fine. I'm gonna try these for Kylo because there's only 3 grams of sugar. Okay, I'm home from Costco now, and before we get into what I bought, why, and even putting everything away in the fridge, I have to shout out this outfit, okay? Because it is so comfortable and so buttery smooth, y'all, okay? And for my short girls out there, look at how good these pants fit on me. I have to give a huge shout out to Halara, who is sponsoring today's video. If you don't know what Halara is, their clothing is incredibly comfortable, stylish, at an affordable, fair price. And thankfully, they gave me a discount code. You guys can actually use Macedo to get 20% off all full-priced items. Halara's pieces truly move with your body so that you can be comfortable and move around, especially if you're a mom like me, but you get stylish pieces at the same time. Halara also offers a very wide size range, and I also mentioned to you guys, they also offer a lot of different length sizes in a lot of their pants as well. So when it comes to sizing, they've got you covered no matter what your size or height is. So I'm gonna show you guys a couple pieces that I got that I'm totally in love with. These are the Halara Ultra Sculpt leggings, and they specifically have a band right here at the bottom of your booty to lift it up, and oh my goodness, y'all. Like, I feel so good in these. I love the fact that they have a pocket, and how cute is this top, you guys? It's basic, but it's like stylish at the same time, and it's cute. This sweater, you guys, I can't even describe how soft this is. This feels so incredibly high quality. It's not even a joke, okay? I love the like oversized look, and you could also tuck it in to get that cute little like shape. I love these leggings. These are also the Ultra Sculpt leggings, but these ones don't have that band underneath. One thing about me is I'm not a fan of your traditional athletic leggings. They're just not soft. These are soft, okay, and very contouring still. How cute is this Henley top? It is adorable, and I can't even describe how buttery smooth it is. These pants right here, you guys, look at how good that length is, you guys, okay? And I am 5'1". This is the petite length. It fits me perfect. So of course I have a discount so you guys can shop your little hearts off on Halara. You can use the code Macedo and get 20% off all full price items. I'm gonna leave my link in the description box so you guys can shop down below. All right, let's go ahead and get into some of the items that I got at Costco. I'm gonna try the viral Costco chicken with this that I have in my freezer. This is actually from Walmart. I'm excited to try it. It really just comes in 2 bags, already pre-made, and I'm just gonna pop it in the microwave. I am gonna whip up a high calorie sauce real quick. Let's get some Greek yogurt. Hit it with some lime, black pepper, some garlic, and some sriracha sauce. Okay, let's try that chicken, y'all. I'm starving, you don't even understand. I had breakfast at like 7 a.m. and it is 1:30. I'm starving. Oh, that's good. Very good. Maybe just use a teensy bit of salt. That is very good. Like, incredible. Honestly, I should have just put the rice in the microwave because it would have been faster, but I definitely would not steam it in that bag because you're just getting a lot of extra plastics. Easy, quick meal. I'm telling you, the cooked food section and the frozen food section is your go-to and just a good little hack when it comes to weight loss, okay? You don't need takeout. You just need the frozen food section and the fresh cooked food section of the grocery store. A little lime. I'm gonna use that organic mash. How good does that look, y'all? How good does this look, y'all? And it tastes incredible. Like, it legit tastes like chicken you would make at home. Because I feel like sometimes when you buy food like pre-cooked, it just doesn't taste right. I don't know what it is, but this is good. Fire. So I ended up honestly showing you guys pretty much everything I got at Costco. I didn't think I was going to be able to because y'all know that Costco is kind of crazy, okay? And it's a little bit embarrassing vlogging in there when there's like so many people around. So I really didn't think I'd get to show y'all that much, but I really did. But one of the things I didn't get to show you guys that I wanted to show, I ended up picking these up. Now listen, I am not really big on like using up my calories on these sort of things, but I think there's just different life circumstances that come up. Like for example, today I was starving going to Costco, y'all. I actually wish I had one of these in my bag. Like there's just times that you need it. Or if you guys have an office job and you need to bring something like this, like there's just, or for Kylo, for example, again, I kind of have steered away from letting him have so many like packaged snacks, but when we're desperate and I know we're gonna have like a long car ride and I just need to throw something in my bag, I like to have these sort of options. And honestly, the ingredients on these ones are not that bad. They're pretty good. And this is 10 grams of protein, honestly. And what I liked about it is only 4 grams of added sugar. I really like that because a lot of these bars have 10, 15 grams of added sugar, which is crazy. Now see, this is what I'm talking about when it comes to snacking. Okay, so I will always prioritize a snack like this over a snack like that bar y'all just saw. But of course, snacks like this often require like refrigeration, so it just depends on the circumstance. I have times, like if we go to a park, I will literally just pop an ice pack in my bag and I will bring these options. But if we're going somewhere and I can't really do that or don't want to do that, then that's when the bars come in. But cheese is like your best friend when it comes to a snack, when it comes to weight loss. Why? Because this is your way of getting in some healthy fats. A lot of the times when women go into deficits, they will get skim cheese, 0% milk or 1% milk, not 0%. So basically they'll cut out all the fat in their diet because that lowers the calories. And yes, it lowers the calories, but it sacrifices fats. And what do fats do? Fats are for your hormones, which us as women, it's incredibly important for us to prioritize balancing our hormones. It's very important for our mood, but also our cycle. You want to maintain good fertility. You want to be getting your periods regularly. If you start eliminating a lot of fats from your diet and as well on a calorie deficit, you're gonna notice your periods being affected, your fertility, your ovulation quite literally being affected. That's a sign right there that something's not right in your body, okay? A lot of women fall into that trap. So I'm here to say prioritize fat when it comes to being in a calorie deficit, okay? It's very important for also our hair, our skin, our nails, our hormones. So I know it can be tempting to go for the low calorie options, but y'all, okay, this is like, I think 80, 90 calories. Like this one's 70 calories, 5 grams of protein. I think this is like 80 calories. How much grams of protein? I don't remember, okay? But you're getting a good amount of protein, but a good amount of fats as well. So if you need a snack under 100 calories, cannot hurt to grab some cheese. And then you can also pair some turkey slices with this. You could literally have like 40 calories worth of turkey slices and get like 15 grams of protein. Turkey is on a whole other level, okay? And now you have a healthy, high protein, whole food based, high fat snack. Okay, y'all, it's actually been like a few days, and as we're editing the video, by the way, I look a hot mess. Okay, please, I am dealing with a sick child. Kylo has like a bug right now. I had to pick him up early from school yesterday, so or a Hot Mess Express over here. But as we're editing the video, I realized I forgot to share with you guys two staples that I found at Costco. First one is a new find for me. These are the Amy Lou caramelized onions and aged white cheddar burgers. Like, these look so good. They have 19 grams of protein and they're only 170 calories. Like, I cannot wait to try these. And then another new find for me, I saved the label luckily, but it came in like a big 3-pack and I cut them up, put them in the freezer. These are actually so good. I tried them the other day for the first time. They're incredible, okay? Like, when it comes to chicken sausages, a lot of the times I just find that they lack flavor. These are really good, you guys. You can use them as breakfast sausages. You can make sausage pasta with it, like breakfast, lunch, dinner. These can be your go-to sausage because they're very low calorie and high protein. 150 calories and 14 grams of protein. That's a win for me. And Kylo, who's my 3.5-year-old, for those of you who don't know, is actually really picky with sausages. There's some that he really hates. He loves these, okay? So I'm really happy about that. They're fully cooked already. They're Parmesan and cracked black pepper. They taste delish. So I was really happy about those new finds. I haven't tried the burgers yet, but the macros, I mean, I feel like you can't beat it. If you guys have tried those burgers, let me know if they're good. So hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing everything that I got at Costco. Honestly, it was a big trip, okay? But I think it'll be worth it because I'm pretty sure I just got a good like 3 to 4 weeks worth of food. Okay, so it's kind of nice just doing that one large trip, and I'll probably just have to grab fresh produce in the next like 2-3 weeks or so. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you liked this video and you want to see more, I have a grocery trip at Walmart that I will link up here for you guys to watch and check it out. Bye guys.